Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GRT. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that GRT is moving inside a very big and long-term up channel. After the breakout from a very big and long-term down channel, it formed that up channel. And while moving inside that channel on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, GRT formed a rising wedge pattern as well. And this was one of those videos. And now if we move to the live chart, then you can see that this was a rising wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video that the price had formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. But finally, the price then broke down the support after getting squeezed inside this wedge. Finally, the price then broke down the support of this wedge and also broke down this long-term support of 30 cents as well. You can see that after the breakdown, the price then is bounced very well from this support of 22.5 cents. That was recently working as support here, support here. This is, by the way, a quite long-term support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 22.5 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And before that, for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support here, resistance here, and resistance here. Here you can see that uh, here it falls breaking as a resistance. We got rejection here in the month of January 2023. And therefore, again, it is working as a very nice support for the price line of GRT. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge up channel that is formed on a weekly time frame chart. First, the price and broke out this down channel. And while moving to the upside and forming higher highs and higher lows, price and has formed this up channel. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 68% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that GRT completed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. After the completion of the final leg, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line for some correction to buy it on this buying zone. And this was the complete trade signal, by the way. This was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss was below this level. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal and the price then rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 68%, very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart, and first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the rising wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video that the price line of GRT has formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern, finally the price line broke down the support of this wedge. The technical target for the breakdown is here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 16.5 cents. And so far, the price line has dropped up to 22.5 cents. But over here, we have a quite long-term support. If the price line breaks down the support, then it can hit the support target for this breakdown that is here at 16.5 cents. Right now, GRT is trying to break out the next resistance of 30 cents. For example, if it will be rejected, then it can again drop down at this support to make another attempt to break it down. However, if the price then breaks out during next resistance of 30 cents, then the chances will be decreased that the price then may hit the target to the downside for this breakdown. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a very big and long-term down channel. Then we formed this very big and long-term up channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price then also broke out another smaller down channel as well. And the target for the breakout from the smaller down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 50 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then in my opinion, it can also hit the resistance of this channel, this up channel as well. This time, the resistance of the channel will be approximately at 70 cents. Before that, we will need to break out this long-term resistance of 55 cents that was previously working as a resistance here and support here and almost as a support here as well. Now, if the price breaks out the resistance of this up channel, then technical target for the breakout from this up channel will be here. That will be approximately at $2.97, or very close to $3. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel is also here at the top of the channel. That is almost at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.